In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import data into Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your data management process, these steps will help you navigate the import functionality with ease, ensuring that your data is correctly integrated. First, head over to the HubSpot website. You'll want to access your account, so click on the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. If you prefer, you can streamline your login process by clicking on Sign in with Google and selecting your Google account linked to HubSpot. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard. On the left panel, locate and click on CRM, which is one of the core functionalities of HubSpot that helps you manage your contacts effectively. Next, within the CRM section, click on Contacts. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of your contacts, where you'll see the option to import data. Head to the upper right corner and click the Import button. At this point, we're ready to start importing data. Select Import Data from the options available. You're now entering the Data Import Wizard, which will guide you through the process step by step. Click on Start Import to open the import settings. The next screen allows you to choose the type of data you want to import. The options may include contacts, companies, deals, or even tickets, so select whichever is applicable to your dataset. Once you've made your selection, click Next. At this stage, you need to have your data file ready on your computer. Click Choose a File to browse your device and select the file you want to import. After uploading your file, click Next to proceed to one of the crucial steps, mapping your file's columns to HubSpot properties. This ensures that each data point aligns correctly with HubSpot's system, enhancing the accuracy of your import. After mapping the columns, click Next again and review the import settings. You will need to agree to HubSpot's terms and conditions for data import, so take a moment to read them before proceeding. Once agreed, you can click Finish Import to complete the process, and your data will start uploading into HubSpot. Now, if you need to export contacts, return to the CRM tab on the left panel and click on Contacts once more. You'll see an Export option available. Click on it, then select Export again to confirm that you want to export your contacts. Your selected contact data will be packaged and ready for download. And there you have it. Importing and exporting data into HubSpot is made simple with these clear steps. Whether you're maintaining up-to-date information or carrying out bulk operations, HubSpot's user-friendly interface helps you manage your data efficiently.